What does the future look like to you? Here at the Shard Center for Innovation, we envision a future where technology and creativity merge to shape the world in new and exciting ways. Imagine delving into the realm of artificial intelligence, where machines don't merely follow instructions, but learn, adapt, and innovate. Our AI courses place you at the cutting edge of this revolution, giving you the power to harness AI to address real-world challenges. Picture yourself immersed in machine learning, decoding intricate data, uncovering hidden patterns, and making well-informed decisions. Our machine learning programs arm you with these sought-after skills, preparing you to thrive in our increasingly data-driven world. Now, visualize the open skies, the exhilaration of flight. Our drone programs offer you this sense of liberation. Whether your interest lies in advanced drone applications or the sheer joy of flight, our programs provide a thorough understanding of these aerial wonders. The future is a vast open landscape waiting to be shaped by the innovators of tomorrow. This is your invitation to become one of those innovators. Join us at the Shard Center for Innovation and set forth on a journey of discovery and innovation that will shape our world for years to come.